Welcome to the overview of the completion of the Modernized Postgraduate Training Request. Postgraduate Training Request is a new modernized process that allows participants to apply for the postgraduate training. Eligible participants will receive the training request link via the BHW participant portal on the date specified in the application and program guidance and the postgraduate training information bulletin. As the Scholar participant, you will now complete your training request through your BHW participant portal. You will receive an email alert to your email on file when it is time for you to fill out the training request. Once you receive this email, please navigate to your portal and your activities homepage where you will complete the request. You may navigate to the training request from two locations within the portal. Click on the initial training request hyperlink in the activity type column of activities table or click View All Activities and the Verifications tab at the top of the page. You will then be taken to the Modernized My Activities page where you will see all the postgraduate training activity requests. You will be able to see the open activities requiring your action, as well as your closed activities. To complete the training request, click on the postgraduate training hyperlink, and you will be taken to the overview page. You will see a high-level overview of your participant details. Training request status. The date training request has been sent to your participant portal for completion, as well as the submission date, if available. Note that this field will be populated once this request is submitted to the BHW. Please review the overview information provided on this page. Once you are ready to move forward, please click the Continue button, and you will be taken to the Program Information section of the request. The Program Information page allows you to provide information on the deferment plans, indicate training program type and dates, search for the training program or manually enter the training program if not found via search. Participants are required to respond to the question on this page to confirm intent to defer. For the question in Program Information section, click on the radio buttons to respond yes or no. If you do not intend to pursue postgraduate training in the current calendar year, select no, and no further sections will appear on this page. You will be able to click on Save and Continue button at the bottom of the page and submit the training request without uploading documents or providing any further information. If you intend on pursuing postgraduate training in the current calendar year, select Yes, and the Training Program Details section will appear on the page. Training Program Details section will allow you to select the type of training you are pursuing, start date, and end date for the training program. Please note that you shall select the end date for the entire training program, not the end date of the first training year. Once you populate all fields in the Training Program Details section, Training Program Search section will appear on the page where you will be able to search for the training program by the program name or program ID. You may search for the training program by the training program name by selecting program name in the search by dropdown. Once program name is selected, search field is displayed where you can type the name of the training program and instantly get search results back while typing. You may also search for the training program by the training program ID by selecting program ID in the search by dropdown. To note, the program ID is the unique training program ID assigned by the accreditation agency. Once program ID is selected, search field is displayed where you can type the unique training program ID and click on search button to view results in the search results table. This option will return an exact match for the value provided in the search field. Once the training program is selected from the search results table, you may populate fields in the training program director details to proceed to the next page of the request. If the training program you are pursuing is not displayed in the search results table, you may click on checkbox to manually enter requested training. Once checkbox is clicked, requested training program information section will be displayed. Please enter training program ID, full program name, specialty, training program length and months, training program director's first and last name, email, phone number, and extension, if applicable. After completing all required fields on the program information page, navigate to the Documents page of the request by clicking the Save and Continue button at the bottom of the page. The button will be disabled until all mandatory fields are populated. On the Documents page, you may upload required and supporting documents. Any required documents associated with the training request will be noted as such in this section. Please carefully review the Documents table to ensure your training request application contains all the required documentation. If any required document is missing, program will return your application for corrections. You may upload a document by either selecting the file or dragging and dropping the file onto the page. Please note that document size and certain file types will not be accepted with the Training Request Documents section. Then select the document type, enter a comment if needed, and click the Upload button. To cancel a document upload, click the Cancel button. To view an uploaded document, click on the file name from the Documents table. To delete an uploaded document, click the Remove button in the Action column of the Documents table. Once you upload all required and supporting documentation, please proceed to the Review and Submit page by clicking the Continue button at the bottom of the page. The Review and Submit page allows you to review responses provided in the previous sections of the postgraduate training request application prior to submitting the request. Please carefully review all the information on the page so you may ensure all your answers are correct, as well as any documentation or outstanding details are provided as needed to help expedite the processing of your postgraduate training request. You may return to the respective sections of the request if any updates are needed. When you are ready to submit the training request, please select the checkbox in the Electronic Signatures section, e-sign with your portal password, and click the Submit button at the bottom of the page. Once you have submitted the postgraduate training request, your application will go under review by the program